Good morning, student. Yesterday I taught you about photosynthesis for standard 7. Today I am going to explain you about an activity to show that only green plant can prepare their food by photosynthesis. So what things are required? First, a leaf with two colors, beaker stand, Bunsen burner, water, test tube, ethanol and iodine solution. These are necessary. Method: how can you do this activity? First, place a beaker about 3/4 full of water on a stand and boil this water. Place the leaf in this water for about 2 minutes. And second, take the leaf out of and put it in a test tube with 3/4 alcohol. Place this test tube in very hot water for about 10 minutes. After keeping 10 minutes in hot water as alcohol warmer, it will remove chlorophyll. When you are going to warm it, it remove chlorophyll, and from the leaf and make it almost colorless. After about 10 minutes, remove the leaf and wash it in tap water to remove the alcohol. Now place the leaf in petri dish and add 3 or 4 drops of iodine solution. Observation: you can observe it. Only green portion of the leaf turn blue-black. Why? Because they prepare food. And while non-green portion of the leaf not change its color. What will be conclusion? Conclusion: starch is present only in green areas of the leaf. Thus only green leaves can photosynthesize and make food. Next topic: condition and factor necessary for photosynthesis. Number 1, the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll present in the green leaves trap the light energy of the sun and make energy carrying particles. Second, the presence of sunlight. As the light intensity is increased, the rate of photosynthesis also increases. Third, nature of light. The blue and red region of the visible light are most effective for photosynthesis. If the light of some other color is made to fall on the plant, then the rate of photosynthesis decrease. Means red and blue light increase the rate of photosynthesis, while other colors light decrease the rate of photosynthesis. Temperature. The temperature does not affect the light reaction. The effect of temperature on photosynthesis vary plant to plant. The availability of carbon dioxide. You all know, poor availability of carbon dioxide, CO2, lower the rate of photosynthesis. Availability of water. Availability of water, poor availability of water, H2O, lowers the rate of photosynthesis. And I am explaining about an activity to demonstrate that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So, method, the leaf of plants such as cotton, and coleus are, that is, partly green and partly other colors. They are called variegated leaf. Chlorophyll present only in their green portion. Discharge the potted plant having variegated leaf. Leave the plant in sunlight for 5 to 6 hours. Now detach the leaf from potted plant. Now remove the chlorophyll by the boiling. I explain you in the next activity. In alcohol, dip the colorized leaf in water and treat it with dilute iodine solution. The part of the leaf which had chlorophyll become dark, and that part of the leaf which had no chlorophyll not become dark. So what is conclusion? Conclusion is, it shows that the photosynthesis takes place only in that portion which have chlorophyll, and this shows that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. Second activity, to show that the light is necessary for photosynthesis. In this method, take a green plant with broad leaves and kept it in a dark room for 1 or 2 days to discharge the leaf. Cover the part of the leaf with black paper. Keep the plant in sunlight. The covered portion of the leaf will not receive light. When you're going to cover the part of leaf, that will not able to receive sunlight. And uncovered part of the leaf receive sunlight. Okay. After a few days, you pluck the leaf, remove the strip, and now remove the chlorophyll by boiling in alcohol. Same process. Dip the colorized leaf in water to soften. Spread the leaf in a petri dish and dilute iodine solution. The leaf turn blue-black except the portion of leaf which was under the stick, which was covered by black paper. That portion can make food, which portion was not covered. Next topic, conclusion of this activity. This show that the intensity of light controls the process of photosynthesis. Next topic, importance of photosynthesis. Why photosynthesis important? The process of photosynthesis has its own importance. It is the only natural process, which utilize sun's energy to prepare food. Its importance can be explained by me. Try to understand about it. Photosynthesis enable green plants to prepare their own food, which is used for growth and survival of that plant, and the extra food gets stored in the form of starch in different part of the plant, in stem, in fruit, in root. All animals, depend on plants for their food. directly or indirectly. Most important thing, oxygen, which is essential for survival of all living organisms, is produced during the process of photosynthesis. Next, animal and human being breathe in oxygen, means oxygen is essential for all living organisms, and animal and human being also breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by green plant in making their food. So this photosynthesis maintain the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in nature. You understand about it? What is importance of photosynthesis? So today I am going to give you homework. You should try to write a short note on photosynthesis, and I explained about 2 activities. You should write 2 activities in your note copy.